Chief Minister going all out against drug menace in the state. Today, Karur District Administration, along with the District Collector and the District SP, and along with the MLA, we have took part in a run against the drugs. We are creating a lot of awareness. We have a plan in the pipeline. I appreciate the Tamil Nadu government and the Honorable Chief Minister taking this drug issue very seriously. It's across the country. It's a menace. I'm happy that the government of Tamil Nadu is in a first kind. It's addressing it in a very serious manner. Huh? See, Tamil Nadu government is doing very well, especially police and district administration. Actually, Karur SP has gone in a very serious drive against drugs as well as stealing Tasmark shops. Whenever there is information, actually SP is acting very swiftly. So we are under Karur is generally we are very good in many things, but drug menace is a little bit controlled here. We are not that problematic, but despite that, we are very sure that not a single pocket of drug should not be sold here. And also we are very much against liquor shops, illegal selling of liquor shops also. We are also ensuring that the people who are under 21 is not buying liquor. So it's all out against any kind of, either it is a liquor or it is a drug. We are going against a drive, and Tamil Nadu government is very serious about it.
ஆளாகாமல் தடுத்து அவர்களுக்கு அறிவுரைகளை வழங்குவேன். போதை பழக்கத்திற்கு உள்ளானவர்களை எனது பங்களிப்பை முழுமையாக தருவேன். போதைப் பொருட்களின் உற்பத்தி, நுகர்வு, பயன்பாடு ஆகியவற்றிற்கு எதிரான தடுப்பு நடவடிக்கைகளின்
லலிதா அவர்களை தொடர்ந்து துர்கா தேவி ரெடியா இருங்க. துர்கா தேவி, கோகுல் ஆர்